Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 18th day of August 2025. We just got finished with the U.S. closed live trading room. And as always, this is a trade taken in the live trading room today. So here we go. The setup is this. We've had multiple failures at a weekly level. There's also Fibonacci reasons why we failed up there. And then we get our old friend, the strong candle indicator saying, take this candle short. The arrow is red, which means sell. It's 3 times more powerful than the previous candle. And we're going to take this down. Now, we are trading S&P 500 today, so it's a little bit different. Each tick is worth, so we're only going for 4 ticks on the first target. There are 4 tick intervals in between the white lines. And the market's been very, very slow. I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 9 and 11 ticks in the length. So we're going to pair our ATM to that, and we're going to go for 4 tick first targets, an 8 tick target, and then a 12 tick target. And this is what happened when we did that. So put the order on. We've already had the retrace. So normally we start outside the candle, but since we've already gotten the retrace, we'll go ahead and move to the body of the candle. And here we go. Boom. All right. Well, the stop is almost where it's supposed to be. Take 1 tip too many. Now, once the first target gets hit, notice we moved our stop to break even. So no matter what happens on the trade now, I can only break even at worst case. So fours are out times 2. So that's 8 ticks so far. If the eights get taken out, that'll be basically 16 ticks total times 1250 now. ES is 1250 a tick versus the NASDAQ, which we feature a lot, is at $5 a tick. So we don't go for as many ticks, but we have more per tick involved. So there you go. All right, we're in this now. We can go ahead and speed this up just a bit. I mean, it's a big ask when the PVI is so low. All right, first 2 targets are out. Brilliant. Now this is going to be a stretch to get to the 12 tick target down here. So I think we're going to move our stops to, well, no, let's just keep the stop. I think we kept the stop the same when we were in the room. It was -3. And we'll see how this goes. We got all targets during the regular session, so I'm pretty sure we're going to max out here. Now, one thing I want to do is we're into the open. There we go. All right. So it took a little bit more than 5-minute candles. So as soon as that 5-minute candle closed, the next candle opened and just pushed through and took out our 12-tick target. That trade was worth 350 US dollars and took just over 5 minutes to complete. So if you want to learn how to make 350 US dollars in 5 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com, samuraidaytrading.com. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.